Okay, hello there. Um, Hello there. Hope things okay. Um, let's look at Excel. Let's look at Excel. So this is Excel or spreadsheets. It's used for calculations, and I want to do a certain function here that will help us actually in our daily lives. So this is an example of a company. Maybe these are the names of employees, and this one is a column for their salaries. Okay, and I want to calculate something here. Let's say I'm having an argument of taxing these people who are above 300,000. Okay, anyone above 300,000 is going to be taxed, and anyone below 300,000 is not going to be taxed. So how do we do that? Using a function in Excel. Let me use this. Let me insert a function from this side. I go to FX, then I use the if function. Go to OK. I'm going to get a function argument here. Then I'm going to start making arguments here to the program so that I get what I want. So straight away I'm going to start entering the arguments. So if the function is already written for us and we don't need to write it again, I just start making arguments. Okay, so if B2, I click at B4. If B4 is above 300,000, I click at 300,000. If B4 is above 300,000, then I lock it. I press F4, I lock it. If B4 is above 300,000, so the computer is already displaying false because 230,000 is below 300,000. So it's not true that this B4 is above 300,000. So the computer is displaying false because this value is less than this. Okay, let me continue. But if it was above, because this is like value if true, if the value is above 300,000, what should the computer do? Okay, if it's above, I'll get B4 times the 10% of commission that we are taxing. If someone is above 300k, they'll be taxed, of course. Then I lock it. I press F4, then I lock it, and then if the value is not above, value if false, if value is not above 300,000, what should the system do? System should display you're not taxed. If someone is below 300,000, then they're not taxed. But if someone is above 300,000, based on their salary, they'll be taxed. Let me click OK. So the first person is not even taxed. It is showing you're not taxed because they're having 230,000, and it's below this. Let's see the rest. Let me use another field here. Then I get the rest of the answers. Okay, so this one is not taxed because it's having 200k and it's below this. This one is not taxed because it's having 100k and it's below this. Now the rest are taxed because their salaries are quite below this. Okay, there is some kind of function that can help you do that. Okay, you can keep on watching this video for you to get more of these functions, and keep on subscribing to my YouTube. Have a nice time.